Want to promote affiliate products using ClickFunnels but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll show you the easiest funnels you can build to start making affiliate commissions, even if you're a complete beginner. ClickFunnels makes it simple to build high-converting funnels that help you collect leads, build trust, and drive affiliate sales. Here are the top 3 easiest funnel types you can create today. Funnel type number 1. The lead magnet funnel. This is the simplest and most effective funnel for affiliate marketing. Step 1. Offer a free lead magnet, like a guide, checklist, or short video, that solves a problem related to the product you're promoting. Step 2. Capture the visitor's email address on your opt-in page. Step 3. Redirect them to a bridge page where you introduce the affiliate product and share your link. This method helps you build a list and follow up with email sequences, giving you multiple chances to make the sale. Funnel type number 2. The bridge funnel. This is a 2-step funnel designed to warm up cold traffic. Page 1. The opt-in page. Page 2. A personalized video or message explaining why you recommend the product. Then include a button with your affiliate link. The bridge funnel is powerful because it builds trust and gives your audience a reason to click your link instead of someone else's. Funnel type number 3. The review funnel. Perfect for product reviews and comparisons. Page 1. Offer a free bonus or exclusive review. Page 2. Provide a detailed walkthrough or comparison of the affiliate product. Add your affiliate link with a call to action and possibly include limited time bonuses to increase urgency. Review funnels are great for ranking on search or YouTube, and for converting warm traffic who are ready to buy but need one final push. No matter which funnel type you choose, the key is to focus on value first, product second. Use ClickFunnels to collect leads, build trust with bridge content, and promote products you truly believe in. Right finger want to skip the setup? Check the video description for ready-to-use funnel templates and a free ClickFunnels trial. Right finger, and if you're serious about affiliate marketing, subscribe to this channel for weekly videos, tutorials, and strategies to grow your online income. Thanks for watching. Now go build your first affiliate funnel with confidence.